Hello there. Now I'm gonna teach you how to enable that flashing lights for your flash to be on and off when you're having or you're receiving texts and calls rather. So let's get into it, okay? So first things first, I want you to look for your settings. Now it should be this one right here. If you can't find it, I want you to look on your app library. How do you do that? Just click on this search bar right here. Click on settings. Perfect. It should be this one right here. To make sure you're in the right track, it says settings on the top part, and you can see your name right there and your icon or your profile picture, something like that. Now once you're here, I want you to look for the app or option that says accessibility. It should be this one right here. Let me hold it so it will be highlighted for you. Click on it, and once you're here, I want you to look for audio and visual. Let's look for it together, okay? There you go. It's audio and visual right here. So technically, it's on the third category. First category is vision, then physical and motor. Third one is hearing. Let's click on audio and visual. Now, once you are in audio and visual, I want you to scroll on the very bottom part. It should be this one right here. It says visual. Click on it. Now, as you can see, everything here is off on my end because I don't want flashing lights when I'm having someone calling me or I'm receiving a text message. Anyways, if you want to turn it on, click on this one, LED flash for alerts. So any alerts that you have on your phone, your flash will go on and off, okay? Now the second one, flash while unlocked. It just means that when your phone is unlocked, it will still flash while you're using it. Because if you untoggle this and you toggle this, for example, and this one's not toggled, the second one, if you're using your phone and someone call you or send a text message, you will not have that flashing lights while you're using it. But if you want to have the flashing lights while you're using it, enable the second one. And third one, of course, flash in silent mode. It's just the same as the flash while unlock. If you are in silent mode and you enable this one, you'll still have those flashing lights. If not, then when you're in silent mode, you will not have those flashing lights when receiving phones, calls or text messages, okay? So that's how you enable that flash mode on your iPhone. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.